Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
I am Jay.
And I am Anna. And this is Learn English with Jay and Anna.
Today's topic is very exciting.
Very exciting. And a little scary.
Ha! Yes. A little scary.
Today, Jay started a new job.
My first day at a new office.
Can you remember your first day at a new job?
Or your first day at a new school?
That feeling, excited but nervous at the same time.
Yes. That was exactly me yesterday.
While you listen, imagine it is your first day.
Let's go.
So Jay. Big day yesterday.
Yes. I could not sleep the night before.
Really? Why not?
I was too excited. And too nervous.
Ha! What time did you wake up?
6 in the morning. My work starts at 9.
6. That is very early.
I know. But I wanted to be ready.
What did you do to get ready?
I had a shower. I ate breakfast. I checked my bag 3 times.
3 times. Ha!
Ha! I was so nervous. What if I forgot something?
What was in your bag?
My notebook. My pen. My ID card. My phone.
So you left home. You arrived at the office. What happened first?
I went to the reception.
And what did you say?
I said, "Good morning. My name is Jay. It is my first day."
Simple and clear.
The receptionist smiled and said, "Welcome, Jay. Please sign in here."
Sign in?
Yes. You write your name and time in a book.
Everyone, to sign in means to write your name when you arrive somewhere.
For example, please sign in at the front desk.
Or, I signed in at 9 o'clock.
Say it with me, sign in.
Sign in. So you signed in. Then what?
A lady came to meet me. She said, "Hi, Jay. I am Sarah. I will show you around."
Show you around?
Yes, show someone around means to take them and show them the place.
Everyone, to show someone around means to give them a tour.
For example, let me show you around the office.
Or, she showed me around the building on my first day.
Yes. She was very friendly.
Were you still nervous?
A little. But Sarah made it easy.
That is so important on a first day.
One friendly person changes everything.
So Sarah showed you around. Did you meet many people?
Yes. So many people.
Ha! Was it hard to remember all the names?
Impossible. I forgot everyone's name immediately.
Yes. That always happens on the first day.
I kept saying, "Sorry, what was your name again?"
That is a perfect phrase.
Yes. Nobody was upset. They all laughed.
Because it is very normal.
Everyone said, "Don't worry." We all did the same thing.
Ah. That is so kind.
My new colleagues were very nice.
Colleague?
Yes, colleague.
Everyone, a colleague is a person you work with.
Not your boss. Not your friend. The people at the same level as you.
For example, my colleague helped me with the computer.
Or, I had lunch with my colleagues today.
So how did you introduce yourself to everyone?
I said, hi. I am Jay. It is my first day. Nice to meet you.
Short and friendly. Perfect.
Some people asked, where are you from, Jay?
And you said?
I told them. And then I asked them the same question.
Smart. Always ask back. It shows interest.
Yes. People like it when you are curious about them.
What else did people ask you?
Some asked, what is your role here?
Role?
Yes. Role means, what is your job? What do you do?
Everyone, your role is your job or position in a company.
For example, my role is to help customers.
Or, what is your role in this project? So what did you say when they asked your role?
I said, I am in the sales team. I help customers find the right product.
Very clear. Very professional.
Thank you. I practiced that sentence too.
Ha! You practice everything.
Always. Practice is the secret.
So you met everyone. Then what? Did you start working?
Yes. My manager called me to her desk.
Oh. What did she say?
She said, good morning, Jay. Welcome to the team.
Ah. Nice welcome.
She said, today just watch and learn. Don't worry about doing too much.
That is such good advice for a first day.
Yes. She said, ask questions. That is the most important thing.
Did you ask questions?
Many questions. Maybe too many.
Ha! There is no such thing as too many questions on a first day.
My manager said the same thing.
What kind of questions did you ask?
I asked, where is the bathroom?
Ha! Very important first question.
Ha! Yes. The most important.
What else?
I asked, what time is the lunch break?
Also very important.
Ha! And I asked, can you show me how to use this system?
Perfect work question.
My colleague Sam helped me. He was very patient.
Patient?
Patient means calm. Not in a hurry. Happy to wait and help.
Everyone, patient means you stay calm and don't get angry when something takes time.
For example, the teacher was very patient with slow learners.
Or, thank you for being so patient with me. What about lunch? Did you eat alone?
No. My colleagues invited me.
Oh, how lovely.
Sam said, hey Jay, we are going to the canteen. Want to come?
Canteen?
Yes, canteen. It is the eating place inside an office or school.
Everyone, a canteen is a place inside a building where you can buy and eat food.
For example, I had lunch at the office canteen.
Or, the school canteen serves lunch from 12 to 1.
Say it with me, canteen.
Canteen. So you went to the canteen with your colleagues?
Yes. And it was so much fun.
What did you talk about?
Normal things. Where we are from. What we like. Weekend plans.
Easy small talk. What do you talk about during small talk at work?
The weather. Weekend plans. Food. Sports. TV shows.
Easy topics. Light topics.
Yes. You don't need big English for small talk.
Simple sentences work perfectly.
Like, how was your weekend? What did you do?
Or, have you tried the food here? Is it good?
Or, are you a football fan? Did you watch the match yesterday?
Simple. Friendly. Natural.
Anyone can do small talk.
So the day ended. How did you feel?
Tired. But very happy. I learned so much in just one day.
Like what?
I learned that people are kind when you are honest.
Yes.
I learned that asking questions is not embarrassing.
Never.
And I learned that English at work is not so different from normal English.
That is such an important lesson.
It is the same words. Just in a new place.
Before you left, what did you say to your colleagues?
I said, it was great to meet you all. See you tomorrow.
And what did they say?
They said, welcome to the Team J. See you tomorrow.
That must have felt so good.
It felt amazing.
And to your manager, what did you say?
I said, thank you for everything today. I really enjoyed it.
She must have been happy to hear that.
She smiled and said, we are glad to have you, Jay.
Perfect ending to a first day.
The best ending.
Jay. I want to ask you one more thing.
Of course.
Did you have to write any emails today?
Yes. One email. To a colleague.
Was it hard to write in English?
A little. I was not sure how to start.
How do you start a work email in English?
My manager showed me. You start with Hi Sam or Dear Sam.
Hi is more casual. Dear is more formal.
For a colleague, hi is fine.
And how do you end an email?
You write best regards. Or thanks. Or kind regards.
Simple endings. Easy to remember.
And in the middle, keep sentences short.
Like what?
Please find the document attached.
Or, could you please check this and let me know?
Or, thank you for your help.
Short. Polite. Clear.
That is all a work email needs.
You don't need big words.
Never. Simple is always better.
Okay. One more thing before we practice.
Yes?
What if you don't understand something your manager says?
Ah. This happened to me today actually.
Really? What did you do?
My manager explained something very fast.
And?
I said, sorry, could you say that again please? I want to make sure I understand.
That is a perfect sentence.
She repeated it slowly. And then I understood.
Nobody expects you to understand everything on day one.
Exactly. Asking is not a weakness.
Asking is smart. That is what happens when you prepare and stay positive.
And practice your sentences the night before.
Okay, everyone. Let's look at some useful phrases for a first day at work.
These are simple, easy to remember, and very useful.
When you arrive, say this.
Good morning. My name is Jay. It is my first day.
When you meet someone, say this.
Hi. Nice to meet you. I am new here.
When you need help, say this.
Excuse me. Can you help me, please? I am not sure how to do this.
When you make a mistake, say this.
I am sorry. I made a mistake. Can I fix it?
When you leave, say this.
It was great to meet you all. See you tomorrow.
5 situations. 5 phrases. All simple.
Write them down.
You will use all of them. Everyone. Let's practice together.
Listen. Then repeat. 2 times each.
Good morning. It is my first day. Nice to meet you. My name is Jay.
Good.
Can you show me how to do this, please? Sorry, what was your name again?
Excellent.
I am sorry. I made a mistake.
Almost there.
It was great to meet you all. See you tomorrow. Amazing work, everyone.
You just practiced 6 real workplace phrases.
Use them on your next first day. Now let's review our 4 words from today.
I say the word. Anna says the meaning. Sign in.
To write your name when you arrive at a place.
Colleague.
A person you work with.
Role.
Your job or position in a company.
Canteen.
A place inside a building where you buy and eat food. J. Last question.
Yes?
Are you going back tomorrow?
100%. I cannot wait.
That is the best answer.
Ha! I actually liked it.
Your homework this week.
Practice introducing yourself in English.
Just say, "Hi, my name is blank. I am from blank. Nice to meet you."
Say it to a friend. Say it to a mirror. We are so proud of you for being here and learning. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.